What's up, my gente from YouTube? This is Cindy and El Jefe cooking today. We're going to be making ground beef, and the only ingredients that we need is lettuce, cabbage, and a bag of mixed vegetables, which is this one. Hold on. This one. And it looks a lot, but it's not. The next ingredients that we're going to use in here is going to be soy sauce. But the ground beef, we put onion powder, garlic salt, black pepper, and pink Himalaya salt. And that's what we cooked it with. This is already going to be almost ready to go into this pot. Once it goes into this pot, I'll be right back. Alright, my gente, this is done. It's already off. It's done. Now it's time to transfer it right here. And once it's right here, it's going to finish cooking with the soy sauce. It's not going to taste salty. It's not going to taste too much soy sauce. It's going to be perfect. Why? Because once you start making the egg rolls, you have to take off the juice that, you know, you're going to scoop your lettuce or, you know, your little vegetables, egg rolls. But we're going to add ground beef to them. So I'll be back with that. Alright, we're back. So now the ground beef is in here. So we're going to open our can. Mr. Jefe.
I got you, baby. I got you.
Go ahead and I'll tell you when to stop. You got to put half of that.
Pour it out, sin miedo, sin miedo.
Sin miedo. Échale tú échale. I see the bottle. Alright, a little bit more. Let me just add a little bit more. Because it has to be like half a bottle. Alright, that's good enough. So once it's in there, can I have a spoon? Oh. If you knew what he gave me. Alright, now we're going to mix it together. And we're going to let this cook slow as you can. So when it's all mixed, you're going to turn it on. And you're going to put it very low. Once it's mixed all good, mix well, you know, so you could get it everywhere. Once it's mixed, you're just going to leave it there. And it's going to start cooking. And it's going to shrink. All this lettuce and cabbage, it's going to shrink to nothing. So, as soon as this is done, then we'll start making the egg rolls.
Alright, we got the frying pan ready to rock and roll with the aceite and everything. And we got this too, so we got this also ready to roll with the wraps. So once we
these are the wraps that we're going to be using.
These are the wraps. You know, once we hit, you know, let that cook up a little bit more, you know, we're going to start getting down, and then we'll get back with you.
This is done already. So we're going to take off the excess juice. We're going to bring it over here. We're going to put it on the egg roll. And if you think it's too much, you put how much you want in it.
You want a fat egg roll, you want a skinny egg roll.
What kind of egg roll you want, it's all on you.
It's all up to you.
And then you roll it. You tight you put all the corners inside. And with the water, you just do the corner. And there it is. You just throw it in the fire and let it do its thing. Once all of them are done, once the plate is done, then I'll come back. I'm going to do this to all the egg rolls. Let me make another one with you guys. So you get the egg roll wrap. You're going to get the juice or the meat and the lettuce. You're going to put how much you want. Don't forget to turn your egg roll because they're going to be cooking very fast.
Yeah, be careful with them, man. Keep an eye on them.
Because they cook fast. So you roll it. You do the same thing to all of them. And there's your egg roll. Alright, I'll be back when all of them are done.
Alright, everybody. This is it. These are the homemade egg rolls. Look how they are. And, you know, with this, you can, you know, hook up your sweet and sour sauce or whatever sauce you like. And, yeah, there you go. Alright, everybody. So, you know, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel to check out more videos. And we'll get back to you. Peace out.